The Coconut Jelly Man and His Donkey. In the quiet countryside of Jamaica, nestled between rolling hills and sugarcane fields, lived a man everyone called Mr. Jelly. He earned his nickname because of the sweet, refreshing coconut jelly he sold from his colorful cart, which was pulled by his loyal donkey, Milo. Every morning, as the rooster's crow announced the new day, Mr. Jelly would prepare his cart. It was a sight to behold, painted in bright reds, yellows, and greens, with coconuts stacked high like treasures from the earth. Milo, with his shaggy gray coat, would bray happily, ready for the day's journey. "Time to go, Milo," Mr. Jelly would say with a cheerful grin. And together they set off, the wheels of the cart creaking along the dirt road. As they approached the district, children would run out to greet them, their laughter filling the air. Mr. Jelly, they cried, their eyes wide with excitement. But the real star of the show was Milo. The kids adored him, taking turns petting his soft ears and feeding him bits of sugarcane. "You love the donkey more than you love my coconut," Mr. Jelly joked. Under the big guango tree in the community square, Mr. Jelly would park his cart and set up shop. His hands were quick and skilled as he used his machete to chop open the coconuts. So fresh," said Miss Mavis, the baker, who always stopped by for a coconut water break. "Nothing sweet like this jelly," added Mr. Brown, the carpenter, as he savored every bite of the jelly meat. Mr. Jelly's coconuts were more than just a treat. They were a symbol of his care for the community. He always made sure to check on everyone, bringing a bottle of water to old Miss Pearl when she couldn't leave her house, or giving extra jelly to the kids who didn't have money to buy. "Take this, little man," he'd say, handing a shy boy a coconut. "God bless me with plenty, so me share." But it wasn't just about the coconuts. Mr. Jelly's laughter was as refreshing as his goods, his jokes lightening the hearts of even the busiest country folk. And Milo, with his calm demeanor and floppy ears, became a friend to everyone. The children especially loved Milo. They took turns brushing his coat and even made a game of tossing small flowers onto his back. "Milo, you're a real champion," they declared as they raced around the cart, their energy boundless. One day, a storm swept through the village, washing away a small bridge that many people used to cross over into the community. Mr. Jelly and Milo stepped in to help. He loaded his cart with supplies, bread, fruits, and coconuts, and made trips back and forth to deliver them to the families on the other side. Milo braved the muddy paths without complaint, earning even more admiration from the people of the district. When the bridge was finally rebuilt, the people came together to celebrate. They surprised Mr. Jelly and Milo with special gifts, a new harness for Milo and a cash donation for Mr. Jelly. Mr. Jelly was deeply touched. "Me never expect this," he said, wiping a tear from his eye. "Me just do my little part, same like coconut tree give life." From then on, the bond between Mr. Jelly, Milo, and the community grew even stronger. Every visit to the square became a joyful event, and the laughter of the children playing with Milo was as much a part of the town as the rustling leaves in the breeze. As the sun set on another day, Mr. Jelly and Milo made their way home, the cart lighter and their hearts full. In their wake, they left a trail of kindness, laughter, and the sweet memory of jelly coconut.